Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 Explorer XLT in ingot silver. It has black cloth interior, seating for 7. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and it's an all-wheel drive with automatic transmission. It also has a reverse camera, heated seats, and there are so many more reasons to take a look at this vehicle. You can book an online appointment to take a test drive, and our staff would be happy to show it to you. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered and has lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media, and volume and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, it's a push of a button, your foot's on the brake, and the keys in the pocket. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well you have 2 menus. We're going to start on the left-hand side, display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. On the right-hand side, I've currently got the entertainment there, and you have the compass and phone, and you notice they change color. In the center we have our air vents and a display screen that we can touch on. We're seeing the dual climate control right there, as well as AC on the screen, and then we have our audio, and we can go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have your settings you can slide through. There's your Bluetooth again, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. When we put the vehicle in reverse, you can see your backup camera view. I'm just going to put us back into park. There's your hazard lights, volume and tuner, and there's your dual climate control, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. As well, you have your front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, and there's your fan. And then you can just press in the center console there. You have a USB outlet and a place to put things. Automatic select shifter, and there's your terrain management. So as you dial through, it'll appear on your dash. You're going to see it come up on the left-hand side, mud rut. And then we're going to go into sand mode, snow, gravel, grass, and then back around, and we start off with normal. In the center is the hill descent, and then your armrest opens up. Lots of room in there. You've got a little bin, and there's also a 12 volt. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get. 18-inch wheels. Body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. In the back, there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper. Your backup cameras just below the Explorer badge, backup sensors on your bumper, dual exhaust. And when you're ready to open up that hatch, simply put your hand underneath in the latch here, and it opens easily. Inside, lots of room, and you're seeing the 50-50 split rear seats, and you just have the picture at the bottom to be able to pull the tabs and bring it down or up and store it. You still have lots of storage in behind. There's a light and a 12 volt off to the side, as well as tabs and clips to be able to tether things. And then when you're ready to close it all up, there's a handle to the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you easily bring the seat down by pushing the headrest button, and then pull the lever at the base. It'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. Pull it again, and it pops right out of the way. You've got all weather mats on the floor and a 50-50 split rear seat. And then you've got some bins and cup holders. And when you want to bring the seat back down, simply give it a push and then pull the seat back up into its upright position. You have all weather mats in the second row as well, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have your climate control, 12 volt, and you've got a little bin in the center there. There's also grab handles in the body, up above venting, hooks, and lighting. Passenger side capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, auto high beams, fog lights, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.